First all, put egg in the cooker. Then make ready to boil and cook for next step. Cook at least for 20 minutes to get cooked completely. Now it's ready to cook and make curry. We have chopped of onion, tomato, chili, and other ginger garlic paste. We have to peel the egg cover before we make curry. Put the oil. And then I'm using Gold Zera masala. Put the slices. Add salt, turmeric, and zera powder. Fry until it turns into pale. Add ginger garlic paste. Now put egg on it. Mix it well to get good taste. Add some chili powder. Then pour some water and boil. Boil it until it comes gravy. Now it's ready to take and looks so delicious. Thank you for watching and do subscribe and share.